Alright, hello and good evening. Welcome to Purple Professional Limited. Today we are showcasing the electrical design and wiring of a 5-bedroom duplex in the highbrow area of Abuja, Nigeria. As you can see from this video, the house is integrated with solar modules and of course the solar water heater, as you can see on the roof. There are actually 2 buildings in these premises, but our design and construction was for the building directly in front of us. As you can see, the 2 buildings are separated with a gate, as you can see. So the lighting, of course, of the building, as you can see, we have the fence light that go around the house. Of course, this is the entrance to the ante room. Of course, you can see the continuation of the fence lights. All right. The BQ is still being developed, and of course, the building is not yet complete. As you can see, we still have workers right here. Okay, of course, even the CCTV integration to the building was carried out by Purple Professional. So I'm going to take you inside to see what was done. Okay, before we go, we have a step light, or the staircase light, as you can see right here. And of course, the power supply from the public utility gets here first before we extend the supply. Of course, this is the pressure pump. We extend the supply to this power room. Okay. All right. All right. Let me turn on the light. Right, so this is the main control. Here, the water pump, the pressure pump, and of course, the DC box, talking about the solar array combiner box, and of course, the AC box. The AC box has fuses, surge arrestors, output breaker, voltage and current protector, and of course, we have our rotary changeover switch here. Okay, this is the meter that monitors the consumption, and of course the mechanical changeover switch. All right, so we go right into the building. Right, of course, I need to turn on all the lights. Okay. All right. Let there be light. There's light. So this is the dining area. Of course, there's a cooker, electric cooker, the dining area. And you go to, of course, people are still working. The furniture and the interior design guys are working after we are done with our. All right. And then you have the main parlor. Right. Of course, you have the staircase light that goes upstairs, and this is the ante room. This is the ante room. Now let us go to the guest room, which is just beside. Okay, turn on the light. Ooh. This is the lobby, and then this is the entrance Right. Okay, so all the lights of the guest room is turned on. Okay, that's the toilet. I think it's locked right now. So next we go upstairs. Of course, the chandeliers have not been installed. We are waiting for final painting before we do that. So this is the staircase to access. All right, here is dark. We're gonna turn on the lights. Ooh. Right, you can see the DB right there. Okay. This is the family lounge upstairs. And then we are going to the master's bedroom. Right. And then from here, we'll go to the closet. But before then, let's show the bathroom. Now we go to the closet. Okay. It's one of the bedrooms as well.